Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Just wanted to do a video about how to lengthen your pants. I bought a couple of pants for my husband, and the length were pretty long. He usually wears a 30 inches long, but these were 32 and 34, so I had to, and he likes velvet pants, so I found these today. Found a couple actually, one black, one gray, and one navy, and doing the last piece. Just want to show you how to do it. Unfortunately, it did not work good on here, so I'm going to do it one more time. The thread, because this part being thick, that's the reason it didn't go through. I have this Brothers sewing machine. I think I bought it over 20 years ago at Walmart. And even the color changed. This was like pure white. Now it's like off-white cream color. So I believe the thread broke because it's that part being thick. It's the area where the pants are sewn together. So this is thick. This part is thick. That's the reason it didn't sew. So I'm just gonna go back and sew it and fix that. So I just wanted to talk about that. I know there's lots of tailors who do that. They fix the length, they lengthen the pants, right? The only thing is, I was planning to give this to a lady to do it, but it's time consuming. I have to drive to her house. I said to myself, I'll just do it myself, sit down. So I have a sewing machine. It takes me, I don't know, about an hour or so, because I put sewing the things I need to sew aside, and yeah, and then I start sewing all them together. Okay, so let me just fix this, and I will show you how to do the other. Yeah, it's a little bit thick. That's why the sewing machine is having a problem. I think it did go through this time. Let's see. No, it didn't. It broke again. Okay. Let me do it at the other side. This part. Let's do it this side. Maybe it's my sewing machine. I don't know. I had another one that was a Singer. It was doing the same problem. Yeah, this is not an industrial sewing machine. It's just a regular sewing machine that I purchased from Walmart. There are heavy-duty ones. I bought these gadgets from Temu. Yeah. Okay, so I pull this. I like this, how it threads from the needle. Okay, let's try this trick. You can try it, and then hopefully this will work. Just need to sew a little bit because I don't want it to, you know, unravel. Yeah, it worked this time. Good. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side and show you how you can do it. Just I would measure the pants that you have from the one that you're wearing, or your son or your husband's wearing, and then you can measure it. That's what I do. So what I did is I put them aside, and I measured it from right here. So what I do is I put the pants and I lengthen them, and I mark it, and then I cut it. That's what I did. I marked it with a soap. That's what you can use, or a pencil, crayon. Soap is way easy. And then what I did is, that's how I did this one. There's no soap mark. Well, this one has a little bit of soap mark. And then what I did is I cut it. See how long it is? This one's pretty long. The navy's not that bad, which I cut. Later on I can use these. If I don't, I just toss them. So I want to show you how you can do fold these, fold the edge. So what I do is I kind of go like this. See if I can get this closer so you can see. It's just a little bit. I fold it just a tiny bit like this. I got these from AliExpress years ago. They're very handy. It's like this. So just to, you know, where the sewing machine is going to go through. Just like this. A lot of people don't know how to do it. They have a sewing machine. That's why I wanted to come and show you. I did take a course. I believe I was 16. Yeah, I finished high school. Actually, I was going, I think 1986. I think that's when I took a sewing course, because we had a sewing machine in the house and I didn't know how to use it. I did sew a pencil case. I remember when I was going to junior high, and I used that pencil case, and I wanted to learn how to sew. Even I didn't know how, but I used the sewing machine to sew the pencil case. So that was nice, you know. Just wanted to learn some technique. So I took a course, and the teacher taught me how to sew basic stuff. Yeah, it's nice to learn these basic things that you need in your life. You can take it to a tailor, that's no problem, but like I said, it's time consuming. I have to drop it, I have to go and pick it up. Oh, I'll just sit down and do it myself. I think they're charging $30-40 just to do this. Just to sew the lengthen. Yeah, just like this. So I am trying to, look, I'm not a professional, but I just do the job. Yeah, why not? Right? Usually when I buy pants, because I'm tall, I'm 5'9", mines are always short. But well, I can't find. There used to be Tall Girl. I remember years ago they shut down, bankruptcy probably, as most of the places do. But yeah. Here we go, and this is how we do it. So what I do is here, there's a little bit space left. So just fold it a bit. And then here, as you can see, it's almost done, right? So what I do is I kind of pull it, and then, ta-da, it's done. You can either sew it from here or from here. The reason I'm sewing it from here is the perfect color is on the top that I am using the thread, and the bottom is going to go inside. So that's the reason I'm sewing it from here. I usually sew it from the inside. For that reason, I am doing it this way, unfortunately. So what I do is, here's my sewing machine. I remove this part, and I bought this gadget from Temu again, and it's magnetic. So it's just fantastic. So this is like a marker. See, it's magnetic and very, very strong. So I can mark this where I want to hold it to. But unfortunately, I have these, so it's not going to work for me. So I'm just going to remove this because I need that space, right? Okay, so here we go. Like usually what I use this for is I put it here and it holds it. It doesn't move. So I have a straight line. That's the reason I bought that gadget. Yeah, there's so many unique stuff that you can buy on Temu for, I don't know, $1 or $2, $3 the most. Okay, so I'm going to start. It's on a sewing thing. Another thing, this part broke. This part right here, it cracked. And I ordered this from Temu, and they sent me 2. So that was very nice, you know. These are expensive. I think I only paid $2 for the 2. You know, that's why I keep on going back to Temu, because they have things that I need. Yeah. Okay, so let me just put this leg here, and then I'm going to start sewing. Before I start sewing, I'm going to pull the thread from the underneath to do that. Just like this. I'm not showing you how to do the techniques. I'm just showing you how you can lengthen and then sew it up. You just measure the pants that you have, that you're wearing, and then go from there. And then I move these. Okay, so this part is a little bit thick. So I'll hold it like this. And I will try to pull it from the back slowly. So it will nicely go through. And I think it did. Yeah, it did. Perfect. Move this and hold. Oops. Okay, same. This is going to be a little bit tough to sew. So what I'll do is I'll pull it from the back. That's what I do. And it got stuck, of course. That's okay. Hopefully it didn't break. Yeah, it did break. I have to go back and fix that. Okay, it broke from the underneath. Oh, it didn't. I don't know what happened there. Okay, the top thread has broken. Okay, let me fix this, and just wanted to show you that my sewing machine, it's not sewing well. So I will fix it, and I will sew it. I need to put these back on again, of course. It did not sew, because I can't see it, right? That's the reason it keeps on breaking. So this is how you sew your pants, lengthen of the pants, and yeah, so this is how it looks like. So I just wanted to share you this. I had a little bit of technical problems, and I will fix that, and it's ready to be worn. These are going to be for my husband's work pants, so It's not that professional. Like it is zigzag, even I try to sew it as good as I can, but that's all I can do, right? If I take it to a professional, I did, and I didn't like how they sew it either, so that's another thing, tailors. Yeah, maybe there's one at Northgate I can take next time, but like I said, these are for work, so I don't care that much. Just wanted to share you how you can fold them and then work from there. There's another way you can do it, but unfortunately I had to cut so much. Like if I didn't have to cut this much, what you do is you just go like this. You just fold it and then sew this part. But because it's being too long, I had to cut it. I had no other choice. As you can see, this part is thinner. This gets wider the more you go upright. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy sewing. Bye-bye.